Today is going to be Yellowbird Jalapeno Hot Sauce. It has red jalapeno peppers, carrots, distilled vinegar, onions, garlic, organic cane sugar, salt, lime juice concentrate. Made in San Marcos, made with love by Yellowbird Foods, San Marcos, Texas. Let's put a little bit in the spoon there. A little bit more, it's not that hot. Alrighty then. Now let's try it out of the spoon. You get the red jalapenos, you get the sweetness. The vinegar's there, garlic's there. But it's not wowing me, it's just kind of a standard hot sauce. Let's try a little bit on this cheese omelet here. Oh. All right, let's get out of that crazy light. Cheers. You know, if you were not a pepper hot sauce head, that would be a good hot sauce to start with. But somebody like me has no wow factor to it. It's good. That's about it.